everyone. I am your friend Guinea. In this chapter, we will learn about a few sounds. Look at the board. This is a clip. Clip begins with the sound of cl. Cl, cl, clip. Cl, cl, clip. Here are some more words that have the sound of cl. Cl, clap. Cl, clock. Cl, clay. This is a flag. Flag has the sound of fl. Fl, fl, flag. Here are some more words that have the sound of fl. Fl, fly. Fl, floor. Fl, flame. Look at the board. This is a slide. Slide has the sound of sl. Sl, sl, slide. Here are some more words that have the sound of sl. Sl, slip. Sl, slate. Sl, sleep. Today we learned a few new sounds. Hope you had fun learning with me. Bye-bye.